Hello, my name's David Ischek. I'm a technical trainer for Vokèra boilers. In this video, I'll explain the embedded 7-day Screed drying program that we supply with our Pinnacle combination and system boilers. The Vokèra Pinnacle boiler has an embedded Screed drying program. It lasts for 7 days and it's a progressively increasing low temperature regime to dry out a recently laid screed. There are several steps to this process. The first being we must put the boiler into standby. So tap center left arrow, select boiler mode and select off. Now we must go into parameters, so use the arrow bottom right to select technical menu, then tap technical menu. We need a password. The password is 53. Tap OK. Tap heating and use bottom right arrow to select type of heating. As delivered, the boiler works to a high temperature. We need to change that to low temperature. Then return to the previous screen. Now we can select Screed function and we can activate it by tapping that button on the top right of the screen. To deactivate at any time, tap again. I'll return to the main display. In the Screed heating functions operation, if it's a combination boiler, there will be no hot water available from the boiler. If the power is turned off during the operation of the Screed drying program, during the 7 days, when the power is restored, the boiler will start where it left off in the program. So for 7 days we have a progressive gentle increase in the heating system temperature water and then a decrease at the end of the program. We must be borne in mind that at the end of the Screed drying program we will need to restore the high temperature regime in parameters. I hope this information has been useful. Thank you very much.